Okay, so Luco sent in a mic kit. It's their Airwave K2 Pro combo, if I'm not mistaken. It's a complete kit for your camera and your phones, Android or iOS. So let's check it out. Opening the box, makikita natin na meron na tayong dalawang receiver, isang Lightning at isang Type-C for your phones, and meron na din tayong magnetic clip-ons and 2 wind muffs plus a charging cable sa kanya. The case has a built-in mini LCD sa kanya, and opening it, makikita mo na yung camera receiver, which is really cute, and 2 transmitter mics. By now, siguro napansin nyo na that these definitely look like Hollyland mics, and this entire video is being recorded with their microphone as well. Now, ang laki talaga ng benefits ng binibigyan ng ganitong klaseng microphone in terms of freedom and convenience, as you can see right now. But are they any good? So right now, naririnig nyo yung raw audio quality ng microphone na to. Nasa loob ng studio, may fan tayo na around 1 meter away sa atin, and hindi naka-on yung noise cancelling niya. So right now, naka-on na yung noise cancelling, nandiyan pa rin yung fan natin, meron pa rin nangyayari doon sa labas, and ganito na yung audio quality na nakukuha natin sa kanya. Note, this is in a studio room style. So, simulate natin pag nasa labas na tayo naman. So right now, I'm simulating a noisy mall environment. As you might tell, right now, medyo parang sumisigaw na ako kasi maingay nga dito. So let me try turning on the noise reduction. Hopefully, nauna natin siya. Let me just double check. Okay. And ganito na ang audio quality na nakukuha natin sa kanya habang naka-on yung noise reduction niya with an actual noise environment. Upon reviewing that footage, I noticed na kahit pag naka-off yung noise reduction niya, there's still a muffling ng background noise na nangyayari, which is quite good. And nung in-on ko na yung noise reduction niya, I didn't really notice that much of a difference. Nagkaroon lang siguro ng konting high pitch sa boses ko nung inactivate ko na siya. I would say this mic will make really good as studio and indoor mics, especially kung katulad mo ko na mas madalas na gumagawa lang ng content sa loob ng kwarto. As for the kit, I really do like yung form factor na ginamit nila para sa camera receiver compared dito sa Mauno na ginagamit ko daily. Also, take note, hindi lahat kakasya dito, so make sure you bring the essential things na kailangan mo pag lalabas ka with this microphone. I would say though, yung noise isolation nito kahit naka-turn off pa yung noise reduction is way better kesa dito sa T1 Mini ko for Mauno kasi right now, may maingay na nangyayari sa likod ko dahil may trabaho but still, hindi ako worried na mag-record ng ganito unlike sa Mauno na hinihintay ko pang matapos yun nasa likod bago ako mag-resume ng recording kasi malakas ang pickup ng noise niya. So that's the Airwave K2 kit from Luco and yeah, they do sound good. Huwag mo lang gamitin yung noise reduction niya para hindi ka mag-high pitch ng boses kasi maganda naman na ang noise isolation niya.